public meetings and many years planning for the renovation of Market Square Park. We're finally going to have our new park in the fall of 2011.
Ohio City is such a welcome and inclusive place, and with the park that it is at the focal point of our market district, it was important to have an inclusive process. And so this meeting tonight is the last of several meetings in which the public's been able to come together and to give their input on their park. The turnout's been incredible, and I think it's going to lead to an incredible place for the community to gather.
Since 2005, Cleveland Public Art has been working with Ohio City Near West and Councilman Simperman and the City of Cleveland, Parkworks, and residents of the Ohio City neighborhood to reimagine Market Square Park as a welcoming entryway into the Ohio City neighborhood. So we've been working with artist Mark Moskowitz to come up with functional elements for the park, vertical artwork, and then he also came up with a harvest theme which builds off of the food movement in Ohio City and the West Side Market.
The theme of harvesting was something that came up multiple times as we were figuring out how to integrate the market itself better with Market Avenue and the park, creating more of a flow between those three spaces. And so we used this idea of harvest to inspire some of the forms and some of the concepts for different elements in the park. I worked on the seating quite a bit, tables, and that was inspired by fruit crates and vegetable crates, which is an obvious motif, a functional motif in the West Side Market itself.
We're going to have a lot more programmable space, and we're going to be able to draw from the energy that's at the West Side Market into the park to have activity on the weekends and during the week and in the evenings.
It's sort of all different levels of terrain. We're going to be leveling it so that it's a flat plane across the whole scope of it, which is nice also just because it's a tiny park, so having less sort of layers will be, I think, facilitate ease of use.